In this video we have listed the top 5 best impact wrench on existing market. We made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to list them based on their price, durability, features, customer review and many more things.
Are you new viewers? You should connect with us clicking by subscribe button, then press the bell icon for next updates.
Best of 5. Astro Nano Impact Wrench. 450 feet/pounds of max torque. Extremely short profile, full length of less than 3 to 8 by 7 inch. Incredibly lightweight at 3.0 pounds. 3 forward and 3 reverse settings. Innovative twin hammer design. Check the description for best price and details. Best of 4. Nitro Impact Wrench. 1,300 feet/pounds of torque. Patented quiet exhaust technology, only 86 dB. Patented ergonomic Kevlar handle and housing. Patented forward-reverse switch. Reinforced twin clutch mechanism. Check the description for best price and details. Best of 3. Chicago Pneumatic Air Impact Wrench. 1,200 ft/pounds of torque, power to loosen the toughest fastener. Weighs less than 12 pounds, comfort over long periods of use. 6-vane motor for speed, power with any half-inch hose air supply. Twin hammer high-performance clutch, longer life under tough conditions. Ergonomic handle exhaust keeps exhaust air away from the operator. Check the description for best price and details. Best of 2. Dual Brushless Impact Wrench. Brushless motor for superior performance. Heavy-duty impact mechanism with max torque 700 feet/pounds, breakaway torque 1,200 feet/pounds. 3-speed selector switch for control, LED work light. Battery fuel gauge, battery and charger sold separately. Check the description for best price and details. Best of 1. Aircad Composite Impact Wrench. 1,400 feet/pounds of torque. Ergonomically designed grip and handle for user comfort. Very fast to work development, 6,500 RPM. Molded in buffers on sides to protect tool. 3 power management settings. Check the description for best price and details.